Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel DIY with Aurea. Today I am hosting a Valentine's collaboration along with my friend Ray from One Way Designs 238, and the co-host this month will be Loli from Loli's D's Creation. We will be creating minimum of 2 Valentine's DIY. I will have in my description box the links to their channels along with the playlist. Beginning with our first DIY, I have this cutting board that I bought last year from Dollar Tree, and I am going to be giving it one coat with this melted chocolate, and that is from Apple Barrel. And what I did is I watered it down. I'm going to give it one coat to the entire cutting board. Once done, I'll come in with a wipey and I'll be wiping down the excess paint. And from the Craft Square at Dollar Tree, I purchased this faux leather. And I am going to be cutting a piece so like that I can go ahead and cover the bottom side of this cutting board. And now I'm going to go ahead and start embellishing this cutting board. I'm going to go ahead and start hot gluing this piece of leather only in the bottom portion. And now it's time to go ahead and cut that bottom portion. As you see, I left the cutting board on the other side just as is, only because I'm gonna keep this for myself and I thought that maybe I could use it on either side. I'm going to go ahead and use these thumbtacks, but the nail part of it is too long, as you can tell. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut it off, and then I'm going to come in with some hot glue, and I'm going to go ahead and start hot gluing, and later on with a little hammer I'm just going to go ahead and reinforce it. So now I'm going to go ahead and start hot gluing these thumbtacks down to the leather. And now I'm going to come back with the same melted chocolate from Apple Barrel, but this time I am not going to water it down. I'm just going to go ahead and use it the same way that it comes from the bottle, and I'm going to go ahead and distress the upper portion of this cutting board. This is so beautiful just as is. As you can tell, I have a pocket, and now I'm going to start embellishing it. I'm going to take this nautical rope, and with some hot glue I'm going to wrap it around several times and then tuck it in again in the back side, cut the excess rope, and voila, look at how gorgeous. Okay, but I'm not done yet. I also have this heart from Dollar Tree, and you remember that watered down melted chocolate paint. I'm going to be adding this khaki color only to brighten the color up. As you can see, I'm mixing it, and I'll be giving this heart one coat, and then I'm coming back with the same wipey and I'm gonna wipe it down. And then once that is wiped down, I'm gonna go ahead and add a bow to the top of the heart, and I did that off camera, no big deal. All I did was make a bow with nautical rope, and there it is. And then I'm coming back with some white chalk paint, or white acrylic paint I should say, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and distress the heart. I should have done that before I added the bowl, but no big deal. And then I came in with the wipey, or I should say a cloth, and I wiped it down. And now I'm going to go ahead and put this all together. I'm going to take the heart and I'm going to go ahead and put it to my right. And look at how beautiful. With a little bit of hot glue, I'm just going to go ahead and tuck it in just the way you see it. And I am a bit off frame. And now with these beautiful flowers, I'm going to go ahead and put them right here in the pocket. And this is it for this beautiful DIY. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this beautiful DIY. If you like it, I hope you consider subscribing and give me that big thumbs up. And once again, don't forget that this is a collaboration. Make sure to visit that playlist for a lot more inspiration. I'm going to go ahead and use one more piece of this nautical rope. I'm going to go ahead and even both of the ends, and then with some hot glue, I'm going to glue both of them together. It's going to be so beautiful. I hope you have enjoyed this beautiful DIY. And again, don't forget that big thumbs up. For our second DIY, I'm going to be recycling these mason jars, and I'm going to go ahead and use the khaki color and white chalk paint. I'm going to be doing half in khaki, half in white, giving it that ombre look. And for those that don't know my little girl, her name is Diva, and as you can tell, she always has to be front and center, and she is my inspector. So I took the brush with white paint and I'm going to do what I'm doing right now. I'm dabbing between both of the colors and look at how it looks. This is pretty. So now I have this beautiful ribbon from Dollar Tree and I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right by the neck. Later on with the same ribbon, I'm gonna go ahead and create a beautiful bow and glue it right in front with some hot glue. And now for the final touch, I have this baker's twine. I'm gonna go ahead and double knot it right here on front, and with the loose ends, I'm gonna go ahead and glue the key on one end and then the heart on the other. Just keep watching and this will all make sense. And this is the way it came out. I'm going to show you the final review in a second, but now let's go ahead and do the second mason jar. But this one I'm going to do the cream color on top and then the white in the bottom. Same process and the same color ribbon. Just keep watching and enjoy the music. And we are almost done. I am so happy with these 3 DIYs. I don't have a favorite. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite. And now I have also this little heart. They came 5 in a package this year. And from Dollar Tree, I'm gonna take this skewer stick and I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue it right here. And then once that is done, I'm coming in with some yellow flowers, and this is it for this beautiful DIY. Don't forget to leave me in the comment section which is your favorite, and if you have not subscribed, I would love to have you as part of my community. Be blessed, and I will see you in my next video.